Mr. Barnaby. It's like taking eggs to the store.
Oh, yes.
Meet Uncle Barnaby. He looks busy, right? His wife asked him to buy 5 eggs for breakfast, but poor Barnaby forgot the number. So he bought the whole carton, just to be safe. Time passed slowly, and now Christmas is coming to Eureka Village. Barnaby is a good man, but he has one problem. He is messy, and it is Christmas Eve.
Order number 10? No, that's Mrs. Woodland's. Where is Mr. Reynolds' turkey? It was right here, on the sticky note. Hello? Honey? The cranberry sauce? Oh no, I forgot. Please don't blame me.
Barnaby, I am here for my special Christmas goose. I paid for it last month. Bring it out now.
Madam Karen, the thing is, I think I sold it to Mr. Henderson by mistake.
What? You sold my dinner? You ruined my Christmas. I am calling the police, you incompetent fool.
Oh, every of my past Christmas memories.
Uncle.
Leo, it's over. These papers, they destroyed me.
Uncle Barnaby, stop crying. The problem isn't you, it's your system. Why are you using sticky notes in 2025? Let me show you some magic.
All right, first step, go to Notion. Just log in with your email. It's super simple.
Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this database from scratch. But wait, keep watching because I have a secret magic trick to show you. A special formula that I'm giving away for free, and it will blow your mind and it will change how you handle orders forever. So stay tuned.
First, let's build our product inventory. Here, we list the types of animals we have. We also include the price per kilo and the stock status. This section tells us exactly what is remaining in our stock, so you never have to guess if you are out of goose or not. And here is the best part. You can add more details to this database anytime you want. It is super flexible, gives you total freedom, and it's really convenient. All right, now let's build the sales database. This is where the real magic happens. We need columns for customer name, status. Here, I'm using select options for our data. Why? So you never have to type the same boring details over and over again. You just click and choose. For status, is it paid, pending, or canceled? For items, chicken, turkey, duck, or goose. It makes entering data incredibly fast. See? You set it up just once and it saves you time forever. Total price magic box. Finally, we add the pickup date and the WhatsApp number. And then, surprise! Then at the end, send e-bill super magic box. And here is magic trick number 1. We set it up so the total price calculates automatically based on the weight. No more manual math. First, we grab the customer's WhatsApp number and enter it here. This little number holds the key to the magic. They say save the best for last, so I kept this secret for the end. Now, let's move to the Send e-bill column. Here is the magic code formula. Don't panic, you don't have to write this yourself. The link to this entire Notion template is in the description box below, absolutely free. You can just grab it and customize it if you want. And then, ta-da! Look at that! We now have smart buttons, Send Reminder and Send Receipt. This transforms your simple list into a powerful workstation.
Watch this logic. If the status is canceled, the button disappears completely, so you can never send a wrong message by mistake. If it's pending, you can send a friendly reminder. And if it's paid, you send a complete order finished receipt. Notion makes it so easy, doesn't it?
Throw away the paper. This is Notion. Look, I create a table, customer name, bird type, pickup date, and status. See? One click, and you know exactly who paid and who didn't. Simple.
Wait, the paper doesn't fly away? And I can see it on our device? Wow!
Good morning, sir.
Hello, Mr. Barnaby. Is my order ready?
Order 55, large chicken. Paid. Here you go. Have a wonderful new year.
You too.
Do you want to run your business like my Uncle Barnaby? I put this exact Notion template in the description below. It is 100% free. Download it now and get organized.
Thank you, Notion.
Thank you, Leo, for introducing me to this magic. You saved my new year. And thank you, Notion.